birthday parties, winter solstice, and welcoming the return of the light. I mean, what's not to love? Surrounding myself with chosen family and kind-hearted souls. Gathering together over food, drink, laughter, and sharing. What a lovely evening. To be invited, included, and welcomed is a blessing. Short days and cold nights. I tend to spend a lot of my time nesting, cooking, and endlessly staring out the window. You know, I really wonder where those people are going. Are they happy? Are they living their best life? Then comes my personal reflection. Am I happy? Am I living my best life? I don't know. I'll get back to you on that. When my son was in the 6th grade, he had to do a book report on a female artist, and he picked Frida Kahlo. And I didn't know much about her. I had just seen her unibrow plastered over every novelty store. Anyway, he introduced me to my muse, and so many years later it came full circle because the Portland Art Museum had an exhibit of Frida and Diego's work, which was disappointing to say the least. But it was nice to have a day off with my son and to discuss art, which we both like to do, outside of work. Yes, we work together and it can get really intense. So it was a lovely day for both of us, mother and son.
With life, and most people say that they would like their lives to be different, to be better, to be more fulfilling, happier, more joyful, etc. But what I've often observed is that while most people